Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. I want to take this time to express my heartfelt gratitude to Nathan Lindsell for inviting me to be a part of this incredible artist collaboration. It is an honor and a privilege to work alongside such talented artists under your guidance. Your dedication and vision have not only brought us together, but have also created a platform where creativity and innovation can thrive. This collaboration has provided me with an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with my fellow artists, and for that I am truly grateful. Your hard work and commitment and belief in us has meant the world to me. This is my contribution to Pourembrance Day, an artist collaboration. In the world of art, we often draw inspiration from unexpected sources, finding beauty and meaning in the most unlikely places. This creation, for this artist collaboration, I present to you a unique piece, a camouflage chess set. At first glance, you might wonder what connection is between an ancient game of chess and the concept of military camouflage. However, beneath the surface, the similarities between these two seemingly worlds run deeper than you might imagine. Let me take you on a journey and explore how chess and the military share common themes of strategy, tactics, and the interplay of opposing forces, all while honoring the men and women who serve in the military, whose dedication and sacrifice shape the very fabric of our society. Strategy and tactics. Both chess and the military require strategic thinking and tactical planning. In chess, the players must carefully plan their moves and anticipate the opponent's actions. Similarly, in the military, commanders devise strategic plans to achieve their objectives, while tactical decisions are made on the battlefield to respond. Leadership. In chess and the military, both feature a hierarchy of pieces or units, each with its own capabilities. In chess, it's the king, the most important piece, much like the commander in the military. The other pieces, such as the queen, the rooks, and the knights, the bishops, and the pawns, all have specific roles, mirroring the structure of a military unit with its officers, soldiers, and specialized teams. Oh boy. I'm not even exactly sure what happened there, but I lost that footage. I apologize. I'm really sorry about that. Conflict is inevitable. Players and military personnel must make critical decisions that impact the outcome of the game or the battle. These decisions involve assessing risks, balancing offense and defense, and considering the long-term consequences of their actions. Chess players aim to outmaneuver their opponents by controlling the board and forcing them into disadvantageous positions. Similarly, military commanders seek to outmaneuver their adversaries on the battlefield. Concealment and deception. Camouflage design of the chess set reflects an ideal concealment and deception, a common theme in both chess and the military. In chess, players may use tactics to deceive their opponents, and in the military, camouflage and other tactics are employed to hide the true intentions and position of forces. By creating this camouflage set, I aim to highlight the deep connection between these seemingly distinct worlds and provoke thought about the shared principles and strategy, tactics, and decision-making that permeate both the ancient game of chess and the intricate world of military operations. This collaboration serves as a reminder that art has the power to draw the unexpected connections and spark new perspectives on the world around us. Camouflage does play a very crucial role in military operations. Wow. That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Check that out. Wow. Camouflage can be used by creating false impressions and diverting attention. It involves mimicking natural features or altering the appearance of military positions to make them seem different from what they actually are. Camouflage helps protect sensitive information. Camouflage troops can move more freely within their operational area without easily being identified. It can create doubt and uncertainty in the opponent's minds. In modern warfare, it's designed to reduce the detection by various sensors, including radar, thermal imaging, and infrared cameras. My last little piece on camouflage. In modern camouflage, the use of advanced materials and technologies has improved the effectiveness of camouflage, making it an essential element of military strategy and survivability. So that's how important camouflage is. I hope you enjoyed the information I gave you today. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I'm showing this up close so that you can see how to get all those little bubbles out. And yeah, you have to really squeeze these and make sure that the resin is distributed throughout the chest piece. It's better if you can pour from a little higher distance and very slow. As you can see here, I squeeze the air out and the resin goes right into the piece. And I hope you will leave me a comment below. I would love to hear what you think about my piece and my beautiful chest set and my lovely chest pieces. So let's continue on and let's give you all the little tips and tricks of making a chest set. Unlike the first set, I am pouring both colors in this set and letting it dry, and it comes out beautifully. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below, and I will get back to you. I promise you that. It's not easy to get these pieces out of the mold, but there is a little trick to it, and you need to get over that first line. And if you can get your mold past that line, you can just push it out with your two thumbs. It's easy to do with the pawns. Once you can, the pawns are really easy, but you have to be careful too, because you can pull them apart. So and I did pull a few pieces. I did break a few as I was doing this. That's why I did some with the UV resin. This is a good one. Got a good one. Bishop. I just go through a few of these with you, because it just takes up lots of time. Okay, so this was too big. I bought the wrong size. But this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put it this way. Hope for the best. That museum wax. take that museum Rex, roll it into a little ball, place it underneath the battery pack, and that will hold it in place. So this is my camouflage, and this is my chess set, my camouflage chess set. I really think it came out beautiful. I am absolutely in love with these pieces, and I can't wait to do another one. And those little extra leftover resin pieces came in handy. I didn't think I was going to have to use them, but they actually look really cool with the lights underneath them. So please let me know what you think in the comments below about this gorgeous camouflage chess set. There it is in the night. And here's my little checker pieces. Yeah. I'd like to take this moment again to thank Nathan Lindsell, and I would love to introduce you to Shannon from Shannon's Shack. She will be next. And please everyone, look in my description below. There are 48 total artists in this wonderful collaboration. You're not going to want to miss any one of them. I will have each playlist down below. Be sure to visit each and every one of them. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Signing off today with love, light, and peace. Let there be peace in this world. Till next time.